One of the things that I think makes Cups and Cakes a little bit unique is we work really hard to develop a lot of recipes for our clients, kind of always have new flavors coming out, always new things that are just fun and unique to try. Any one of our cupcakes can be selected, or our cookies can be selected to turn into like a cupcake crumble or something. So if you come in and you say, hey, I want this cupcake but with that frosting, that's always something we're happy to accommodate. We also do quite a few special orders. We've got a very talented team of cake decorators. Hi, my name is Bri'elle Carton. I am one of the owners of our little shop here, Cups and Cakes. This is my husband, who is also one of the owners.
My name is Thomas. Yep, I kind of handle the marketing and she handles the deliciousness, which is a good deal for everybody.
I actually saw an episode of Cake Boss and decided that I could definitely do that. So from that point on, I really started baking. Some of my first cakes were pretty horrendous, but I stuck with it and kind of turned it into a little home-based business that I ran for a while. After that, I went off to college and started my other job, but when the opportunity came up to purchase what used to be another bakery, we decided it was a great time to go ahead and give this a shot. My personal favorite is hands down our strawberry cupcake. I just have a spot in my heart for it. I love it very much. Some of our other flavors that people absolutely love though, one of them is our Lavender Lemon. Kind of a unique flavor that a lot of people, when they first hear it, they're kind of like, man, I don't know about that one, but I have never met anyone who's tried it that didn't like it. It
100% success rate.
Yeah, truly a really phenomenal cupcake.
Yep. My favorite is probably the creme brulee though. I'm a chocolate fiend, but that creme brulee for some reason is just, it always hits a spot. So we get our coffee beans, our espresso beans are from KLLR Coffee, which is a local roaster. It's one of those things that we kind of brought into as a good pairing for the cupcakes. I think that as more people have tried the lattes and all the different specialty coffees that we can make, they've become quite popular. Well, we'd love to have you come on down to Cups and Cakes. If you are looking for a special order or something like that, you can always try one of our mini cupcakes, which not everybody has, and find out your perfect flavor. So there's always something for somebody here.